guys, I'm now here at the town hall of Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia. There are so many tourist spots here in Malaysia. You have Langkawi, you have Malacca, you have Genting, you have Ipoh. But Penang is one of the best tourist spots here in Malaysia. From Kuala Lumpur, it will take you 4 to 5 hours just to reach this spot. From Ipoh, it will take you 2 hours. Reaching this place, you can go around the town, see the 200 year of culture of Malaysia, particularly in Penang. And by the way, this is one of the world's UNESCO World Heritage Site. Again, Town Hall, Georgetown, Penang, Malaysia. Bye guys!